This first video is going to be about John himself, his qualifications, and what he's done in the UK, his past history, and just so you get a bit of a feel for John and what he's about. John, tell us a little bit about your past history.
Everybody knows I'm John, from the channel, if the members are here, John the Arm, from many years ago. Essentially, I started my professional career in 1989, where I was a military police officer. I was seconded to various different units within that, some specialist, some not so specialist. From there in 95, I joined Durham Police and spent the next 12 years as a Durham Police officer, tactical firearms officer, pursuit driver trained, advanced driver trained. I was seconded to the security detail of the then Prime Minister Tony Blair, and I also had my own unit in Darlington where I was the supervising sergeant. From there, I took a career change, did my law degree, got my police station accreditation, and over the next couple of years got my first my law degree, then my fellowship with the Chartered Institute of Legal Executives. I'm a criminal legal executive advocate for the police stations, lower and higher courts in the UK. I'm also a duty solicitor, England and Wales. What that means is I get certain spots at the police station and at the courts where if you don't have a lawyer, I'm your designated lawyer, and that's how we pick up business in the UK. I'm also an International Bar Association authorised member, so I've got quite a lot of qualifications and background, and I've been doing this realistically since 2007 to date. I still go back to the UK every 3 months because I've got to do so much UK work every year. That keeps me qualified, that keeps me licensed, and that keeps me accredited with all the agencies.
So you're still a lawyer back in the UK?
I'm still practicing back in the UK and internationally. I can't do anything in Thailand as a lawyer because that is a reserved trade for Thai lawyers only. So my role here is one, to make sure that they're doing everything correctly, but realistically I'm the conduit between the client and the lawyers.
And also, one final question on this. Are you responsible for keeping Tony Blair alive?
Myself and many others had that role in task, which we successfully completed.